Hi, welcome to this platform for Sensor Academy, either the YouTube channel or the Facebook page. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, then on that notification bell in order to get notified when next I post a new video. If you're watching this on our Facebook page, kindly leave a comment, share the video, tag others that may find this same video very much beneficial for an exam build-up revision. Considering the external exams that are drawing way too near, and also considering that we need to build up a lesson, in today's session, we're going to consider the 2023 G12 internal November exam, and we're going to focus on question 3. And the main target as a topic under this discussion will be under changes of state in terms of states of matter. So B3 on A says differentiate chemical changes from physical changes. When we talk about a chemical change, we are trying to talk about a change that's going to involve a formation of a new substance. We're also trying to talk about a change that for it to happen, it's going to have certain bonds to be broken. But when we talk about a physical change, we're trying to talk about a change in the state of matter by not changing the chemical identity of a substance. So in simple language, we're trying to say chemical changes are changes that involves formation of new substances from different chemical compositions, and this is also going to create new properties. A very good example is a chemical reaction. We can have reactants that can produce products. That is a chemical change. So chemical changes can include burning, rusting, can also include, that is, other processes, as long as there will be the formation of a new substance. Considering a physical change, this will be about the change of state or the alteration in the states of a certain substance without itself changing its chemical identity. And examples can include, that is, something solidifying or something melting. So we're going to say chemical changes involves formation of new substances from different chemical compositions. Well, physical changes involves a change in a state of matter. So we can say chemical changes involves formation of new substances from different chemical compositions, while physical changes involves a change in state of matter by maintaining a chemical identity. Under chemical changes, we're going to have a situation where bonds are going to be broken, as that will allow the formation of new substances. B. Classify the following processes as either physical or chemical change. 1. Condensation of steam to water. So condensation of steam to water is not a chemical change because the chemical identity of steam is still water. And as a result, condensation of steam to water simply means you're trying to talk about the decrease in temperature or the loss of temperature from steam in order to turn into water. So that would be more like a change of state from either being in gaseous state to being in liquid form. So as a result, this one is a chemical change because this process is involving a change in state and maintaining the chemical identity of the particular substance mentioned being steam, which is in the same state as that of water, except the difference is that there is a decrease or loss of heat or temperature. So this one is a physical change. Then two, rusting of iron. This one is going to be a chemical change, being for the reason that this is going to involve the reaction between iron and oxygen, thereby forming iron oxide. And iron oxide will be a new substance that will be formed from the reaction between iron and oxygen, or the surface or the shiny surface of iron, as well as that is oxygen, to form rust. So as a result, rusting of iron becomes a chemical change. Then three, photosynthesis. As termed in biology, it said a process in green plants, and usually this process will involve the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into formation of glucose as well as oxygen by utilizing sunlight energy. So if you can observe from the statement, we can see that we are going to use two different components, being carbon dioxide and water, to form glucose and oxygen, which shows that there is the formation of new substances. Hence, this can be termed to be a chemical change. So that is how question B3 of 2023 grade 12 November exam should have been answered. And I hope at the end of this video you pick a point or two relates the same to some of the previous exam questions that may help you to build on self-reliance and self-dependence. Make sure that you tag those that may find the same explained concepts to be everything relevant to uplift their understanding, preparation, as well as their stabilization. This has been your tutor, Mr. Sensor from Sensor Academy School of Tuitions. Till in the next video. For now, it's a very good bye.